Imagine stepping into a lush, verdant forest. Sunlight filters through the canopy, painting dappled patterns on the forest floor. Birds call to each other, their songs echoing melodiously through the trees. A gentle breeze rustles the leaves, creating a soothing, natural melody. In this vibrant ecosystem, a silent communication is also taking place, a conversation beyond our human ears. Plants, the silent inhabitants of our planet, are constantly communicating. They signal each other, share resources, and even wage war, all without uttering a single word. Their language is a complex interplay of chemical signals, light patterns, and electrical impulses. A language that has allowed them to thrive in diverse environments for millions of years. This hidden world of plant communication is only just beginning to be understood. Scientists are discovering that plants are far more complex and interconnected than we ever imagined. By delving into this secret language, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intelligence and resilience of the natural world. Let us step into this silent symphony and explore the fascinating ways plants communicate with each other. One of the most fascinating aspects of plant communication is their ability to send messages through the air. This form of communication is not only complex, but also incredibly efficient, allowing plants to interact with each other and their environment in ways we are only beginning to understand. Plants release volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, which act like chemical messengers carrying information to other plants nearby. These VOCs can travel through the air, reaching other plants and even insects, influencing their behavior and interactions. Imagine a group of acacia trees on the African savanna. These trees are not just passive entities, they are actively engaged in a form of chemical warfare and communication. When a giraffe begins to munch on the leaves of one tree, the tree releases VOCs into the air, warning its neighbors of the danger. This is a sophisticated alarm system that triggers a defensive response in the surrounding trees. These neighboring trees, upon receiving the signal, start producing tannins in their leaves, making them less palatable to the giraffe. Tannins are bitter compounds that deter herbivores from feeding, thus protecting the trees from further damage. This remarkable example of chemical communication allows plants to protect themselves from herbivores. It showcases the dynamic and responsive nature of plant life, which is often underestimated. The speed and efficiency of this communication system highlight the intricate ways plants have evolved to survive in their environments. Over millions of years, plants have developed these sophisticated methods to ensure their survival and reproduction. The release of VOCs is not limited to defense mechanisms. Plants also use these chemical signals for other vital functions, such as attracting pollinators and even communicating with beneficial microbes in the soil. Plants also use these airborne signals to attract pollinators, ensuring the continuation of their species. Pollinators like bees, butterflies, and other insects are drawn to the scents emitted by flowers, which guide them to the nectar and pollen they seek. The sweet scent of a rose, for example, is not just for our enjoyment, it is a powerful signal to bees and other insects, inviting them to partake in the vital process of pollination. This mutualistic relationship benefits both the plants and the pollinators, creating a harmonious balance in nature. Additionally, plants can communicate with the microbial communities in the soil through chemical signals. These interactions help plants to acquire nutrients, fend off pathogens, and establish symbiotic relationships with fungi and bacteria. Understanding the language of scent and chemical signals in plants opens up new possibilities for agriculture, conservation, and even medicine. By decoding these signals, we can develop more sustainable farming practices, protect endangered species, and discover new compounds for pharmaceuticals. The world of plant communication is a testament to the complexity and intelligence of nature. It reminds us that even the seemingly silent and stationary plants are active participants in the web of life, constantly interacting and adapting to their surroundings. As we continue to explore and understand this hidden language, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate and interconnected world of plants. Their silent conversations are a vital part of the natural world, shaping ecosystems and supporting life on Earth. Beneath the surface of the forest floor lies a hidden network, a complex web of fungal threads that connects trees and plants in a vast underground network. This network, often referred to as the Wood Wide Web, allows plants to communicate and share resources in remarkable ways. Through this intricate network of fungal mycelia, trees can transfer nutrients to each other, supporting the growth of seedlings in shaded areas or providing assistance to trees in need. Scientists have discovered that older trees, often referred to as mother trees, act as central hubs in this network, nurturing younger trees and ensuring the health of the forest community. This underground communication system also allows plants to warn each other of danger. When a plant is attacked by insects or pathogens, it can release chemical signals into the network, alerting its neighbors to the threat. This early warning system gives other plants time to mount their defenses, preventing the spread of disease or infestation. The Wood Wide Web highlights the interconnectedness of forest ecosystems, revealing a world of collaboration and cooperation beneath our feet. Researchers have been delving deeper into this underground network, uncovering the sophisticated ways in which plants and fungi interact. By studying soil samples and using advanced imaging techniques, scientists are beginning to map out the extensive reach of the Wood Wide Web. The mycelial network acts like a vast internet, transmitting not just nutrients but also information. This flow of resources and data ensures that the forest remains a resilient and adaptive ecosystem. Fungi play a crucial role in this system. They form symbiotic relationships with trees, exchanging nutrients for sugars produced through photosynthesis. This mutualistic relationship is vital for the survival and growth of both fungi and trees. Different tree species can also benefit from this network. For instance, a birch tree can share resources with a fir tree, even though they are different species. This cross-species support highlights the cooperative nature of forest ecosystems. Seasonal changes also impact the Wood Wide Web. During autumn, trees may transfer nutrients to their roots and neighboring plants to prepare for winter. This seasonal redistribution ensures that the forest remains healthy year-round. In winter, the network slows down but doesn't stop. Trees and fungi continue to interact, albeit at a reduced pace, ensuring that the forest is ready to burst into life again come spring. Water also plays a role in this underground network. Streams and rivers can help distribute nutrients and chemical signals, further enhancing the connectivity of the forest ecosystem. The Wood Wide Web is a testament to the intricate and delicate balance of nature. It reminds us that beneath the surface there is a world of cooperation and mutual support that sustains the beauty and diversity of our forests. This network not only supports plant life but also has implications for the entire forest community, including the wildlife that depends on these plants for food and shelter. Understanding the Wood Wide Web can help us appreciate the complexity and resilience of forest ecosystems and underscore the importance of preserving these natural wonders for future generations. Light is essential for plant growth and survival. Without it, plants would be unable to perform photosynthesis, the process by which they convert light energy into chemical energy to fuel their growth and development. Plants have evolved sophisticated mechanisms to detect and respond to light, ensuring they receive the energy they need to thrive. These mechanisms are not just about survival, they're about optimizing growth and maximizing efficiency in energy capture. One such mechanism is phototropism, the ability of plants to grow towards a light source. This directional growth is a fascinating adaptation that allows plants to make the most of their environment. Think of a sunflower, its head tracking the sun across the sky. This daily movement is not random, but a highly coordinated response to the changing position of the sun. This remarkable dance is driven by phototropism. The sunflower's ability to follow the sun ensures that it receives maximum light exposure throughout the day, which is crucial for its growth and energy production. When light strikes the sunflower's stem, it triggers a hormone called auxin to move to the shaded side of the plant. Auxin is a growth hormone that plays a key role in regulating plant growth and development. The increased concentration of auxin on the shaded side causes the cells to elongate, bending the stem towards the light. This process is a fine example of how plants can adapt their growth in response to environmental cues. Phototropism allows plants to optimize their light exposure, ensuring they capture enough energy for photosynthesis, the process by which they convert sunlight into food. This is vital for their survival and growth. This ability to move and respond to light is crucial for plants growing in crowded environments, where competition for sunlight can be fierce. In such settings, even a slight advantage in light capture can make a significant difference in a plant's ability to thrive. plants have evolved sophisticated mechanisms to detect not only the direction, but also the quality and intensity of light. This allows them to fine-tune their growth and development according to the specific light conditions they encounter. This allows them to adjust their growth patterns, optimize their resource allocation, and thrive in a wide range of light conditions. Whether in the dense undergrowth of a forest or the open expanse of a field, plants use phototropism to navigate their environment and ensure their survival. Phototropism is just one of the many ways plants interact with their environment. It highlights the incredible adaptability and resilience of plant life, showcasing how even the simplest organisms have evolved complex strategies to survive and flourish. By understanding phototropism, we gain insight into the broader principles of plant biology and ecology. It reminds us of the intricate connections between organisms and their surroundings, and the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. As we continue to study and learn from these natural processes, we can better appreciate the wonders of the natural world and the sophisticated strategies that plants use to survive and thrive. Phototropism is a testament to the ingenuity of nature and the relentless drive of life to reach for the sky.